When you differ with someone, the most important thing, if you really care for them, you first have to develop a little relation. They must believe that you care for them. I don't want to talk to you like I'm preaching. You are going to hell, I'm going to heaven. You guys are all astray. I'm the one who's rightly guided. You guys don't know any. That's not how you talk. Did you ever say, brother, how are you? Do you have a job? Let me help you look for this job. You go, you say, brother, I found 3 jobs. Did you try applying here, there? You know what? After 3 weeks, he'll get a job. When he gets a job, what happened? You are his friend. And you can say, brother, when you pray like this. You'll say, thank you. Jazakallah khair. The Prophet ﷺ spoke to the kuffar. He spoke to them in such a way that they turned. When in Ta'if, they harmed him, he says, Allahumma hdi qawmi fa innahum la ya'lamun. Oh Allah, guide my people, they don't know. And if they don't accept, their children will accept. Wallahi, their children accepted, and many of them also accepted the deen. When the Prophet ﷺ was in Mecca, he says, Allahumma a'izz al-Islam bi ahad al-umarayn. Oh Allah, grant strength to Islam by the acceptance of Islam of one of these 2 enemies. Amr ibn Hisham, his name was Abu Jahl, and the other man, Umar ibn al-Khattab. And Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu actually came. The people were shocked to see him come. He worked on him and he tried and he prayed to Allah, guide him. Yes, so he was guided. The point I'm raising, go easy on each other.